Welcome to applying character attributes and styles using Format Painter and adjusting line spacing by Silver Arenas. In this video, we will cover applying the character attributes and styles using the Format Painter and adjusting line spacing. Here under the Home tab, there is a menu which says Font at the bottom. In here are the character attributes. You can change the font. For example, we'll change it from Calibri to whatever heck that is. We can also change the size using these buttons or using this drop-down menu. We can also change how it appears. We can make it sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, count each word, and toggle case. You can also clear the formatting to make it plain text, which does that. You can also make things bold, italicized, and underlined. Here's a drop-down menu to change the underline. You can also select strike through, which will strike out the text. You can also make a subscript. Let's put in the numbers somewhere. There's your number. When you make it a subscript, it'll appear below, such as the 2 in H2O for water. If you want to make it a subscript, you can also do that. Making a subscript will make it appear like an exponent. You can also choose to put in a word art format, such as this gradient green fill. You can also highlight text. And you can change the font color as well. To use the Format Painter, select the format you like. To add it to something that does not have the format already, go ahead and click where you would like to apply it. As you can tell, "and" has changed so that it appears like this one paragraph down here. To adjust line spacing, highlight the text you want to change the line spacing of. By default, it is set to a single spacing. However, there is a space after each paragraph. Let's take a look at that. To change the line spacing, select the text that you would like to change the spacing of. This is the default spacing in Word. You can also change it to these settings right here. And if you would like to, you can also make it your own personalized spacing by clicking line spacing options. Instead of being like single or double with the decimal, here it changes to points, such as the point of the font. If your font is 10-point font, more than likely you'll have 10-point spacing. Just for the fun of it, we'll make it 54-point spacing. This is 54-point spacing right here. The big huge gap between the end of this paragraph and the following sentence.